अस्सलामुअलैकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग। गुड मॉर्निंग,
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
कैसे हो सब लोग?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
वालेकुम सलाम मैम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम। सर, ड्रग बैंक यू गॉट नो? ड्रग बैंक मिला ना आप लोगों को? क्लासरूम में मैंने अपलोड किया था। 3 chapters were there, that is one sedative and hypnotics, anticonvulsant and antidepressant. Structure, uses, plus chemical category. So all those things are there in that drug bank. That much is enough. For synthesis, synthetic part and pharmacological action, all those things, you have to see the recording and running notes बना लो आप, जैसे क्लास चल रही है. Synthesis सारे मिला के एक साथ में मैं दे दूंगी after completion of full one chapter. Synthesis, definition, classification recording के अंदर है, no need to do all the thing. So we are going to start with the new chapter, that is antidepressant. Today we are going to start with the new chapter, antidepressant. It is the drugs which were acting against the depression. Antidepressants. So antidepressant, we know this is one kind of deficiency which is associated with each and every human being in our daily life. Depression due to some or other things. डिप्रेशन ऑफ एग्जाम, ठीक है, जैसे आप लोग होता है एग्जाम का डिप्रेशन, कलेक्शन ऑफ नोट, दैट इज आल्सो वन काइंड ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Then if we are taking all these things seriously, then we'll go under depression condition. So all these disorder what we are studying जो भी हम लोग यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, like sedative and hypnotics, that is one kind of treatment to mask the action of depression as well as anticonvulsant, antidepressant, these are the disorders. Sedative and hypnotics is also, hypnotics are the drugs which are used to treat this kind of disorder associated with the controlling system. That is sedation. अब अगर आ रही है, एंजाइटी रहेगा, टेंशन रहेगा पेशेंट को, then we are going to give the sedative kind of drug. If we are giving the sedative kind of drug to that patient, what will happen? Sudden relaxation will take place. The same drug sedative, if we are giving in higher doses, that patient undergo into the sleep, that is deep sleep, natural sleep, if it is in high dose. ठीक है, वो ये तो हो गया रिलैक्सेशन का. Then coming to next topic or 1.1, that is chapter 1. In that 1.1 next topic is anticonvulsant. Convulsant के ड्रग के अंदर हमने क्या देखा है? फार्माकोलॉजिकल एक्शन एंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन. Under that category we have saw what kind of convulsive disorders are there. It means those convulsive disorders are directing towards the epileptic disorders. So in under epileptic disorder, different kind of seizures, means the body is unable to control the movement of the physical as well as psychological system. So that condition is called as convulsion. Anticonvulsions are the drugs which are used to treat against this disorder. Means they are having capacity to treat or control this kind of disorder. So all these disorders are associated with the neurotransmitters, different kind of neurotransmitters which were present in our synapse. The synapse are connected to the axons. Okay, so those drugs acting on this kind of neurotransmitter, we have saw that in antidepressant, in sedative and hypnotic, the GABA aminoreceptor plus different kind of 5-hydroxytryptamine, all those kind of neurotransmitters are there. We are directly targeting to those receptors which are having those kind of neurotransmitter ions, the flow of those neurotransmitter ion at the target receptor, उसको हम target करेंगे. Coming to the part of anticonvulsant, what we'll do here, we are targeting the receptor, same receptor, but those receptors are unable to control the body movement. So those if the person is unable to control the body movement, means it is epileptic disorder. Those are different kind of seizures, which is also under the part of कंट्रोलिंग सिस्टम, सेंट्रल नर्वस. अब जब हम लोग सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम पढ़ रहे हैं, देन वी आर associated with the neurotransmitter, brain plus spinal cord. So those neurotransmitters circulating in the brain and spinal cord. So next disorder. So what drugs are there in this controlling system? They are classified according to the action as well as deficiency disorder. So these deficiency disorder, the drugs which were acting on this deficiency disorder, they are classified into different categories. So those categories are having different kind of derivatives. So those derivative we are studying over here. So different kind of derivatives are having capacity to treat or target different kind of disorder. Suppose some drugs are there, they are acting directly on the GABA aminobutyric acid. Some drugs are there, those neurotransmitter acting directly on the 5-hydroxytryptamine. Some drugs are there, those were acting directly on dopamine. So those are all the derivatives which were belonging to the class of benzodiazepine, like benzodiazepine, gamma aminobutyric acid. So all these drugs are belong to that category. So ये इसीलिए है because the different neurotransmitter are having different kind of shape of target. So those shape of target in that pocket, which derivatives fitting over there, so there are those derivatives are having capacity to treat or control that kind of disorder. ठीक है, वो हम लोगों ने सेडेटिव हिप्नोटिक्स एंड एंटी कन्वल्सेंट में देखा था, बट दिस इज द न्यू चैप्टर. हियर वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द, we are not connected with the body movement. Here in depression, the behavior of patient is uncontrollable behavior. ठीक है भाई, इंसान है, he was human being and he was doing normal work, but the neurotransmitters or chemicals which were there in his synapse, they are running like anything. Means they are not controlled by the will. If they are not controlled by the will, means the person goes into the depression. So this disorder associated with the controlling center. ठीक है, सपोज मुझे कुछ टेंशन है, आई एम हैविंग सम टेंशन. ठीक है, सडनली मैं टीवाई की क्लास में आ गई. ठीक है, फाइनल ईयर की क्लास में आ गई. I am having some kind of tension. I'm sick. I'm having some tension regarding work, some tension regarding home, some tension regarding children, some tension regarding the examination, some tension regarding the students. So all these are the tensions, all these are the tension associated with one person. Okay. So if those tension he was taking, those things he was taking deeply and seriously, then that person XYZ will goes into the depression. When this person will goes into the depression, means he was thinking of one object particularly or seriously towards it. Agar he was thinking of that one seriously, then what will happen? The neurotransmitters which were associated in the brain as well as spinal cord, the reuptake of those neurotransmitter is in a high level compared to the normal one. Means जितना सोचेगा, suppose for example you are driving car. ठीक है, so if in remote area you're going to drive that car smoothly. ठीक है, remote area is there, nothing is there, your mind is not a constant, then when you're driving that car, what will happen? Your mind is not constant, you are thinking something else while driving. अगर ऐसा condition है, then what it will do, your neurotransmitter not in a stable form. What will happen? You are driving, but you don't know where you are going and how to drive and what kind of obstacles will come in front of your face, in front of your driving face. That things you don't know. So that is the condition called depression. So यहाँ पे anti means against, the drugs which were associated against this kind of disorder, the drugs which were acting against this disorder, means treating this kind of deficiency, are called as antidepressant. अभी हम लोग इसका definition देखेंगे. These are the drugs which enhance the alertness जो है उसको enhance करेंगे ये drug, because the already the patient lost the alertness. ठीक है, अभी जैसे मैंने ड्राइविंग का एग्जांपल दिया, इफ ही वाज अलर्ट देन ही कैन मूव द कार स्मूथली. इफ ही वाज नॉट अलर्ट, द एरिया इज गुड, कार इज गुड, ही इज ड्राइविंग आल्सो गुड, बट ही वाज नॉट अलर्ट, मींस that is a condition of depression. अगर अलर्टनेस ही नहीं है तो वो क्या है, डिसीज है, दैट इज वन काइंड ऑफ डिसीज। अब जो भी इंसान के साथ में हो रहा है, दोज आर ऑल, वी कांट प्रेडिक्ट दैट ऑल आर डिसीज, दोज आर नॉट डिसीज, दोज आर deficiency disorder, some are disorder, some are disease, but here we are targeting to the disorder associated with the controlling system. So this is one kind of disorder in the controlling system. Drugs which enhance the alertness, anti means against, against means the drugs, ठीक है, drugs acting on depression means antidepressant. So here what this antidepressant drug will do, if definition को अगर, the drugs which are having capacity to enhance the alertness, the alertness को enhance करेंगे, these drugs, this drug will enhance the alertness, and और क्या करेंगे ये ड्रग, एंड may results, alertness को enhance करेंगे, but it results in an increased output behavior. Output behaviors. Output behaviors. जैसे मैंने बोला अभी, एंटी डिप्रेशन, दीज आर द ड्रग्स which enhance the alertness and may result in an increased output of behaviors. यहाँ पे in this condition, in the condition of depression, person is good, his physiological condition is also good, he was not affected with any kind of illness, but he was depressed. He was depressed means the alertness of that patient, the patient lost his alertness. If the patient is losing his alertness, that is the condition, that condition is called as depression. So these are the drugs which are having capacity to enhance the alertness by resulting the output of behaviors. जो behavior, the abnormal behavior जो रहते हैं उस पेशेंट के, so those abnormal behavior come into the stage of normal. ठीक है, means what are antidepressant means, the antidepressants are the drugs which enhance the alertness resulting increased output behaviors. So these output behaviors are, sometimes these are moderate behaviors, these are moderate, ठीक है, moderate, sometimes these are severe, sometimes these are moderate behaviors. Moderate means you doesn't require that much concentration, higher dose of drug, you doesn't require, you require the normal dose of drug for treatment of output behaviors, output behavior, if they are moderate. If they are severe, then higher class of drug, we can treat this kind of condition with the higher class of drug. ठीक है, so these are the two conditions. So these are the drugs which enhance the alertness by increased output of behavior. The behaviors are of two types, that those are moderate as well as severe behaviors. अभी देखिए characteristic of depression. So ये हो गया अपना definition. Then we'll come to the stage what kind of characters which were associated with this output behaviors. Sometime what will happen, these are the normal things what we are facing in our daily life. ठीक है, sometime characters, we'll see the characteristic of this behavior. Characteristic, this depression characteristic, as well as you can say that depression is characterized by different kind of characters associated with this depression. ठीक है, first one feeling of, अभी देखो आप अच्छे से सुनना आप लोग, हाँ, गिव concentration towards here. Feeling of intense sadness or worry, feeling of intense sadness और worry. ठीक है, अब अगर मैं क्लासरूम की बात लूंगी, इफ so this condition is associated in my classroom, ठीक है, with all 60 students or 65 or 68 students were there, ठीक है, so 68 students were not that much close friend, something happened between friendship, or something happened between the classmates, what will happen? Something means कुछ झगड़ा हो गया, भाई ठीक है झगड़ा हो गया, कुछ कोई छोड़ के चला गया, कोई किसको छोड़ के खाना खा लिया, ठीक है. So those kind of normal behaviors, so that is also one kind of depression, ठीक है. Feeling of intense sadness or worry, that person is there in the class but not listening to anything. Convulsion को मैंने दूसरा बोला था, convulsion is different, that is the severe disorder, those are the severe disorder, but here we are talking about the moderate disorder. In depression there are two kinds of disorder, one is moderate, another one is severe behavioral output, ठीक है. If it is the condition, then first one is characterized with the feeling of inert and sadness or worry, intense sadness or worry. So this is one kind of character of depression. So ये एक kind of depression है. Drug associated, how to treat this one, that is a different matter, but this is one kind of sadness associated with that. ये सारा मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ? Because while writing the SAR of that drug, so this point we are going to include over there, ठीक है. Moderate and severe, first character is feeling of intense sadness or worry, ठीक है, first character. Next character associated with this is agitation, ठीक है, agitation. Next is third one, self depression. किसी ने कुछ नहीं किया but he was in depressed condition, self depression, it's personal problem associated with this person, ठीक है. self depression, agitation. Then physical change of physical state, physical change, क्या पहन रहा है, क्यों पहन रहा है, why he was coming, why is dressing, he don't know anything about it. So those kind of condition, he was, it means that he was a depressed person. कुछ भी आ रहा है भाई, क्लास में आ रहा है, बुक हिला के आ रहा है, पैर हिला के आ रहा है, हाथ हिला के आ रहा है. So he was not at all a normal person. He was feeling, he was thinking something else, but he was present physically, he was present in the classroom, but his mind is thinking somewhere else. So that kind of condition is associated with the depression, but it is physical change, or see, insomnia, then anorexia. So these are the condition associated with the depression. Anorexia, loss of enthusiasm, इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है इस बंदे को किसी में भी, he was not interested at all. It means that that is also one condition of depression, loss of enthusiasm, he don't want to do anything, he want to sit on one place. So if this is the condition, that is also associated with the depression. Then mental slowing. So mental slowing is a condition, this person is present but thinking something else, but he was sleeping. Sometimes some student will sleep on bench, ठीक है, क्लास चलती रहती है, टीचर बोलती रहती है, हाँ, but he was sleeping nicely. That is one condition of mental depression. So his mind is working but working slowly, so that is one kind of mental depression. तो वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं कर सकते हम, let that patient get enough sleep, so उसको छोड़ देंगे, because we know that that person is associated with the disease called depression, ठीक है. Loss of enthusiasm, he was not interested at all. Self depression, any kind of personal problem associated with that person. Change, physical change, memory loss of sleep, all these things associated with the depression. Agitation, feeling of intense sadness and worry. So these are the characteristic of different kind of depression. ये हो गया character. Depression है क्या भाई? It is a loss of alertness due to feeling of intense sadness, or because of agitation or self depression, or physical changes, insomnia, anorexia, loss of enthusiasm and mental slowness. So these are the disorder. Some disorders are moderate and some are severe. Those we can classify according to the category of drugs which were associated with it. ठीक है, क्लासिफिकेशन वहां करेंगे, बट दीज आर द नॉर्मल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बिहेवियर ऑफ डिप्रेशन। ठीक है, ये तो नॉर्मल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है। अब डिप्रेशन में भी एनी काइंड, मॉडरेट बोला हमने, सीवियर बोला, ठीक है, we said that some behaviors are moderate, some are severe, but some depressions are of heterogeneous, so these depressions are classified, वो तो हम लोगों ने देखा characteristic. Now we'll see the different kind of depression, classification of depression. Depressions are classified into 3 types. ठीक है, डिप्रेशन क्लासिफाइड इनटू 3 टाइप्स। ड्रग की बात नहीं कर रही मैं, आई एम क्लासिफाइंग द डिसऑर्डर इन द डिप्रेशन। डिप्रेशन 3 काइंड का होता है। द मेन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट, इफ यू वांट टू प्रिडिक्ट वन पर्सन who is behaving abnormally, so these are the sign and symptom of that person। ठीक है, अभी सपोज the maturity level will come by studying, that will say that if we are studying or we are having experience of this matter, then will only that maturity level will come, then we'll understand one person. So medicinal chemistry is such a good subject, medicinal chemistry plus pharmacology. If you are giving concentration over these 2 subjects, you can understand the behavior. No need to attend any kind of motivational lectures. फार्मासिस्ट को जरूरत ही नहीं है मोटिवेशनल लेक्चर अटेंड। मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि अटेंड ही मत करो, ऐसे नहीं बोल रही मैं, बट इफ यू नो ऑल दीज सब्जेक्ट्स, ठीक है, जो भी आप पढ़ रहे हो, इफ यू नो ईच एंड एवरी पॉइंट, you can predict one person, कोई भी XYZ person हो, you can predict that person is associated with what kind of disorder. So that is the beauty of pharmacist. Pharmacist की beauty ये है, डॉक्टर को ये सब नहीं पता, डॉक्टर ये सब नहीं देखेगा कि कितने टाइप के डिप्रेशन होते हैं, कितने टाइप के क्लासिफिकेशन होते हैं। ही ओनली नो द डिसऑर्डर, he can prescribe the medicine associated with that disorder, but you people know which medicine working on which target, which receptor, ठीक है, what kind of depression, how many classification, what kind of drug acting on that particular target, all these things you people know. So these depressions are classified into 3 types. First type मैंने बोला, मैंने वहाँ पे क्लासीफाई किया डिप्रेशन को डिफरेंट लेवल पे, फीलिंग के साथ मैंने जोड़ा उसको, देन एजिटेशन, देन सेल्फ डिप्रेशन, देन फिजिकल चेंज, लॉस ऑफ इंथुसियाज्म, मेंटल स्लोनेस। मैंने बोला मॉडरेट हो सकता है या सीवियर हो सकता है, but those moderate and severe, all those things are classified into 3 categories. We are going to classify this deficiency condition, depression condition, into 3 types. So these types are heterogeneous, these disorders are heterogeneous. 3 types, these are heterogeneous disorders. First one, reactive or secondary depression. One is reactive or secondary one. So reactive or secondary depression is, of course, a response to illness. If the person has recovered from certain disease, so that person is associated with the reactive kind of illness. That reactive kind of illness is the first category of depression. ठीक है, अभी मुझे जस्ट आई हैव रिकवर्ड विद द टाइफाइड, ठीक है, आई एम नॉट अ नॉर्मल पर्सन लाइक बिफोर, टाइफाइड अभी मेरा कम हुआ है, जस्ट नाउ आई गॉट स्टेबल विद, केम आउट फ्रॉम दैट डिसीज, नाउ आई एम स्टेबल. I am stable means it doesn't mean that I am normal like before. Okay, I am having some depression because I was thinking that that fever will come again. Then what will happen? Then my hair will get lost. Then my body temperature got reduced, weight got lost. All this depression associated with the reactive illness. So this kind of first type of this type of depression is first type of depression that can slowly, it can be recovered by the patient itself. So those neurotransmitter, if the regulation of neurotransmitter will get proper according to the time, it takes some time to get normal. Here we doesn't require any kind of drug. we don't want to give any kind of drug in this kind of category of depression. यहाँ पे कोई drug नहीं देंगे because he will get normalized as time. It takes some time to get normalized. This is the most common kind of condition of disorder or depression disorder. This is the common condition, common one. ये common condition है. Reactive or secondary depression. Second type of depression is endogenous depression. These are the technical. पहले मैंने जो बोला नॉर्मली बोला मैंने बिकॉज ऑफ लॉस ऑफ एंथुजियाज्म, लॉस ऑफ स्लीप, ये सब मैंने बोला जो नॉर्मली. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू क्लासिफाई दोज वन इन द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैटेगरी. Reactive and secondary depression, that is due to the illness, if the patient is got recovered, that kind of illness. Next one is endogenous depression. Endogenous one. Endogenous depression. Endogenous depression is due to low concentration of biogenic amines. Concentration of biogenic amine. Concentration means movement of those biogenic amine. Biogenic amine, you know all the neurotransmitters. Biogenic amine. Biogenic amine. That is different kind of neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter. Biogenic amines are nothing but the neurotransmitter. Low concentration. Endogenous depression is caused due to the low concentration of biogenic amine. Reactive and secondary depression due to the illness. This is the common condition. He will get normalized by himself. Okay. Now the second one is endogenous depression. This depression is caused due to the low concentration of different kind of neurotransmitter in the synapse, as well as a flow of neurotransmitter in the synapse from the axon. Okay. So different kind of biogenic event generally determined by biochemical disorders. So this one is associated with the disorder, that is low concentration means biochemical disorder, means metabolic process is not normal. If the metabolic process is not normal, then that is endogenous kind of depression. Then that person will go to endogenous kind of depression, biochemical disorder. टेक्निकल अगर बोलना है तो हम बोलेंगे इसको बायोकेमिकल डिसऑर्डर. दिस इज ड्यू टू द बायोकेमिकल. लो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है, बायोकेमिकल डिसऑर्डर है, सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ बिहेवियरल changes in that person. So because of that, endogenous disorder. Then third and last one is depression associated with the bipolar effect. So this one is a severe one. Okay. Associated with bipolar effect. So this depression is associated with the bipolar effect. Means bipolar effect means the multiple behavioral change in one person. Multiple changes in one person. Multiple changes, multiple behaviors at one moment, at one time. So those condition is called as depression associated with bipolar effect. Two effect, one person. देखो अभी bipolar effect उसको बोलते हैं two polar effect. Polarity in chemistry it is different, but here we are observing in the patient the abnormality of controlling center. Here bipolar effect means the one person will play dual roles. If the person is playing dual, suppose for example a man is a son, a man is an husband, a man is an what will say good friend. If all these things, if that person is managing all these things, okay, if he has to give uniform time to friend, uniform time to wife, uniform time to certain particular time to his parents, so he has to control all these part, he has to control everything. During this period of time, if he was not in a stable condition because of due to some or other reason, friendship में कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई, some or other reason his family life got disturbed, so because of that the person will play, क्या करना है उसको समझ में नहीं आता. So this condition is very severe condition. So this condition we said that if it is heterogeneous, We said that sometimes the depression are moderate and sometimes the depressions are severe. If the depression were severe, so these are the moderate kind of depression we can treat with the drug, and these are the severe kind of depression. So that person will he can, if he was unable to control almost all the areas associated with that xyz person, he was not able to control, then he will undergo the bipolar effect. Bipolar effect means he will play the role, he will play the, if he was playing the dual role, then unable to control almost all the part which is associated with that person, area associated with that person, then he will undergo the deep kind of depression. This time this one is moderate. Okay, so while we studying the drug, we'll see what is bipolar effect. Some drugs will act to treat the bipolar effect. Some drugs are having capacity to treat the moderate kind, treat the minor kind of symptom of disorder. Some drugs are having capacity to treat moderate kind of disorders. So ये है हमारे 3 कैरेक्टरिस्टिक डिफिशियंसी डिसऑर्डर एसोसिएटेड विद द डिप्रेशन. ठीक है, सो मॉडरेट तो ये हो गए बिकॉज ऑफ डिसीज, because of low concentration of biogenic amine. Depression associated with the bipolar effect. So this bipolar effect is the severe condition. So this one is a moderate condition. ये condition जो है moderate है, इसको हम लोग treat कर सकते, but he required the medication. We can't treat this one. This is a severe condition of depression. This one is a moderate condition. Now we'll see the mechanism of action. ये तो हो गया है भाई classification. ठीक है, classification, common uses. Severe depression ये सब तो हम लोगों ने देखा. We can treat, if it is depression, different kind of common disorder associated in the depression, all the 3 classes. Severe depression illness raha, then he feels some pain, panic behaviors, and eating disorder. Symptoms associated with the moderate one. Symptoms क्या होगा, खाना नहीं खाएगा वो. ठीक है, disorder of eating disorder, खाना नहीं खाएगा. It means that that person is in depression condition. Obsessive compulsive disorder, that this is the common disorder. Obsessive compulsive disorder. So these are the patient, depression patient. ये patient सारे depression. Obsessive compulsive disorder is a condition where the person want to, छोटी सी छोटी चीज भी उसको गंदी लगेगी. नॉर्मल, इन द नॉर्मल वर्ड व्हाट टू से, छोटी सी छोटी चीज, ही वाज नॉट रिएक्टिव टू एनी काइंड ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट. ही विल से दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू गो ओवर देयर because dust is there. I'm not going to go over there because so pollution is there. Pollution was not there, but he, in his mind, that those kind of words got fitted that if he was doing that thing, then he will get dirty with that. So हर बार हाथ धोने जाएगा, पैर धोने जाएगा, मुंह धोने जाएगा. So that is the condition called obsessive compulsive disorder. Patient is associated with the obsessive compulsive disorder. This is also one kind of डिप्रेशन. ठीक है, सो पेशेंट विल स्ट्रेस, काम का स्ट्रेस रहेगा, कोई भी स्ट्रेस हो सकता है. सो दीज आर द सिम्टम्स एसोसिएटेड विद द सीवियर काइंड ऑफ डिसऑर्डर. अब देखेंगे मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन. नाउ सो हम लोगों ने पहले ही बोला था, व्हाट वी सेड, all these disorder, depression disorders are associated with our biogenic amine. Concentration of biogenic amine is less, then also disorder. If the patient got recover from certain kind of disease, then also it is a disorder. Okay, after recovery he will under some kind of disorder, associated with some kind of disorder. Or if it is associated with the social life, and that disorder is called as bipolar effect. Or multiple disease, if the person is associated with multiple disease, then also that person undergo bipolar effect kind of disorder. अब ये सारे disorder क्यों हो रहे हैं भाई? Why all these disorder? Because of the transmission of biogenic amine in our body. Biogenic amine, because our body is made up of protein, Made up of protein means the amine. Proteins are associated with amine. Amines are different kind: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary amine. The physical structure of the body is made up of the quaternary amine. It is complex structure. Okay. So amine has the, if he is made up of amine, then the neurotransmitter or amino acids which were present in his uh, controlling systems are also different kind of amines. So those are also drugs which were acting internally. If these are the deficiency, then we are going to give outsource drug to that patient to treat or make a regular flow of a regular metabolic process of those biogenic amine. ठीक है, अब उसको देखेंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन में. If the person is associated with depression, then क्या होगा यहाँ पे, the availability of catecholamine is less. ठीक है, catecholamine is less or appropriate. mechanism of action देख रहे हैं हम लोग. Here, if the person is associated with the depression, then it means that first neurotransmitter which is in deficient condition is the catecholamine. The less catecholamine, availability of less catecholamine at the receptor site of the brain. ठीक है, it is most common kind of depression. Common kind of depression means if the person recover, that is first stage of classification of disorder, means after the recovery of illness. ठीक है, so the important action associated with is monoamino neurotransmitter. Less accumulation of catecholamine. In that less accumulation of catecholamine, the actions are due to I'll write over here, monoamine neurotransmitters. Less formation of catecholamine. Because of less formation of catecholamine, we are going to give the monoamino oxidase inhibitors to inhibit the monoamine in the catecholamine. So these are the monoamino. We are going to target on monoamino neurotransmitter. In that neurotransmitter, the receptor associated with this monoamino neurotransmitter, receptor कौन से रहेंगे जिसको हमको टारगेट करना है? Less availability of catecholamine, that is minor kind of, this is not severe, this is moderate kind of disorder. Moderate kind of disorder हम उसको बोल सकते हैं, because the accumulation of this catecholamine is less in brain. So वो उसका accumulation recover हो जाएगा as the time if the patient takes some time to get recover his catecholamine. अब अगर next stage है, if the next stage 0.2, it is due to monoamino neuro, it is less available. If it is less availability of monoaminase neurotransmitter, then it means that the receptor associated with the monoamino neurotransmitters are norepinephrine. Norepinephrine, and another one biogenic amine is serotonin. ठीक है, so these are the receptor, particularly norepinephrine and serotonin. अंडर मोनोअमाइनो न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर के पास दो बायोजेनिक अमाइन, नॉरएपिनेफ्रिन एंड सेरोटोनिन. So these are present in one particular kind of receptor. So we are going, if the patient is moderate depression condition, then we are going to target the neurotransmitter monoaminase. In that the receptor is norepinephrine or serotonin kind of receptor, not drug. So drugs are different. Serotonin and norepinephrine drugs are different. So this is the condition. We are going to treat this neurotransmitter if the patient is associated with severe condition of depression. So अगर इसको therapeutically देखेंगे, this disorder we can treat with different kind of drug. This abnormality of neurotransmitter can be treated by different kind of drug. Because of this abnormality, the patient feel panic. ठीक है, panic, worried, restlessness. restlessness. Then the patient undergo sleep, that is also one kind of disorder. Then और क्या बोल सकते हैं, unable to eat, eating behavior will change. Then the symptoms, अगर यहाँ के if the deficiency is moderate, then this kind of disorder, panic, worry, restlessness भी हो सकता है, या he will goes into deep sleep because of increased number of norepinephrine and serotonin level in the body. Then uh, eating disorder, unable to eat on a proper time, that is also one kind of disorder associated with the monoamino neurotransmitter. So these are, then anxiety, ठीक है, anxiety, tension, all these things associated with this one. So in this condition, these are the mechanism of action is that these, if the level of catecholamine is less, then the moderate kind of disorder. If the level of neurotransmitter, if the deficiency, depression associated with the neurotransmitter, then it is severe condition. So that time the abnormal production of norepinephrine and serotonin at the norepinephrine and serotonin receptor target in monoamino neurotransmitter. So this condition can be treated with different kind of drugs which were present in the chapter of depression. तो यहाँ के क्लासिफिकेशन वही जो रिसेप्टर रहेंगे, क्लासिफिकेशन भी उसके एसोसिएटेड में ही रहेगा, ठीक है. So the classification associated with this kind of mechanism of action. So here we are going to stop our session. In the next session we'll discuss about the classification as well as drugs associated with this. ठीक है, टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज. अगर कुछ डाउट है तो आप चैट बॉक्स में लिख दो, आई विल क्लैरिफाई योर डाउट्स. नो डाउट्स? कोई डाउट है? हेलो, हाँ हाँ बोलो सर. आप वहाँ पे लिंक भेजो मुझे. नो डाउट्स? सुद, गुफरान, यू आर प्रेजेंट इन क्लास, या मैं ही ऐसे ही बोल रही हूँ? रिकॉर्डिंग, आई विल स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग.
No doubt, ma'am.